For best hair growth, apply this 2 times in a week. This is a natural remedy. If your hair loss is happening, whether because of any autoimmune condition, or because of nutritional deficiency, or if there is any bacterial infection, in this you will use onion juice. I will tell you how you can supercharge this simple recipe so that you will actually see its effect. People often ask, with its use, won't there be onion smell from the hair? So after applying this mask, you will wash your hair 2 times. With this, the smell will finish. But what is special in onion that can give benefit to hair? Onion is full of sulfur. Now, sulfur has no direct connection with hair loss, but it is raw material of keratin. Keratin is that protein which is the foundation of the roots of your hair. Without sulfur, keratin does not form. And in onion, not only sulfur. In it, there is one more amazing thing, quercetin. Quercetin works on many levels. First of all, it stops autoimmune attack. When T cells are targeting your hair, quercetin suppresses this attack. If you have alopecia, meaning hair is falling in patches, then quercetin is very beneficial for you because quercetin increases those growth hormones inside your hair follicles, meaning directly it works on those roots from where hair grow. And best of all, quercetin is also a powerful antimicrobial, meaning it also protects scalp from germs like yeast, fungus, and mold. If you have dandruff or any other problem is going on in the scalp, then this remedy is also beneficial for you. Now, let's simplify it, and I tell you how to do this. And then, in this recipe, we will also make some changes further on, by which it will become even more powerful. This recipe will be made from 1 red onion, because in red onion, quercetin is the most. Take 1 onion, cut it into pieces. Put in blender and blend well. Now the smoothie of onion that will be made in blender, strain it with some cheesecloth or muslin cloth. The purpose is that liquid becomes separate and pulp becomes separate. This liquid you can put in a glass jar or put in some bottle. Then when you are about to bathe, first wet your hair. After that, take this onion liquid and massage it well in your hair and in the roots of your hair. Keep massaging in this way for 2 to 3 minutes. After massaging, you have to let it remain in hair for 30 minutes. Wear a shower cap on head so that liquid does not fall outside. Then you bathe. First, clean well with water, then shampoo 2 times so that onion smell gets finished. You only have to apply this remedy 2 times in a week and for 4 to 6 weeks. Its effect will start to appear to you by 3rd or 4th week. But now, we will take these results to a new level. 2 things. First is amazing. Second is even more amazing. First is, just add 5 drops of rosemary oil in onion juice. Now, what is in rosemary oil? In 2015, 1 randomized trial was done. In it, rosemary oil was compared with those medicines which are most used for alopecia. Rosemary oil itself was so effective, as much effective and strong these medicines are. Now, this is a very amazing thing. In rosemary oil, there are such phytonutrients which reduce inflammation, are antioxidant, stimulate the scalp, increase blood flow, and best of all, these also target autoimmune issues. On onion juice, also, 1 study has already been done. It was published in Journal of Dermatology. In this study, people included were divided into 2 groups. Half the people had onion juice applied in their hair, exactly in this way before bathing, and the remaining half people only washed their head with plain water for 6 weeks. The group which was applying onion juice, their hair growth result was 86.9%. The other group, which only used water, that group's result was only 13%. Now let us take this recipe to one more level, and this will be by enhancing onion juice. How? By fermenting. Yes, now you have to make this onion onion juice in fermented form. For this, take 1 onion, peel it, cut in pieces, put in blender and blend it well. Strain this paste, separate pulp, and the liquid left, put it in the glass jar. Now in this jar you have to put 1 cup of water, 1 spoon salt, then ½ spoon pure honey. Put in it. Mix this whole mixture well. When it is well mixed, then tie the mouth of this jar with muslin cloth. Leave it on your kitchen counter or table for 72 hours on room temperature, not to keep in fridge. By second day itself, you will see fermentation in it. Small carbon dioxide bubbles will form on the surface. So this is sign that something is happening inside. The natural bacteria that will be produced in this juice, these in return will make such chemicals which will not only enhance the effect of quercetin, but every nutrient present in this liquid will become more powerful than before. Even these germs will also make those vitamins that support the health of your hair. And one more amazing thing is that by fermentation, the pH level of onion juice also becomes low. It becomes almost 5, and this is considered very therapeutic for the skin of your head. Now, at this place, you will need cheesecloth so that you can strain this liquid. Fill this liquid in a jar. The method of applying is exactly the same that I already told. First, wet hair, then massage this liquid well on your scalp. Massage in the roots. Wear shower cap if you want, and leave this mask in hair for 1 hour. Then take shower. Wash hair well, shampoo 2 times.
Do this whole process 2 times in a week, can do more also. It depends on your condition. Now 2 more very important points are there. You must take care of them. First thing, vitamin D has very deep relation with hair. If in body vitamin D levels are low, then hair fall starts. You take daily 10,000 to 20,000 IU's vitamin D3. Or then spend some time outside in sunlight, morning or evening time when sunlight is not very harsh. And second thing, your diet. What you eat, from that only your hair get nutrition. So make sure that you are eating those foods which support hair growth. I hope this information proves beneficial for you. I will meet you in next video.